In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a touchpad that's not working on Windows 11. If your laptop's touchpad has suddenly stopped responding, or it's acting strange, don't worry. We're going to walk through several practical fixes, starting with the simplest ones and moving towards the more advanced options. Follow along step by step, and feel free to pause the video as you try each method on your own device. First, let's make sure the touchpad is actually enabled in Windows. On your keyboard, press the Windows key, then type Settings and open the Settings app. On the left side, click on Bluetooth and Devices, then select Touchpad. Make sure the main touchpad switch is turned on. If it's off, turn it on and test your touchpad right away to see if it's working again. If it's already enabled but still not responding properly, scroll down in the same touchpad settings page and check the sensitivity and gestures. Try setting the touchpad sensitivity to medium or high, and make sure tapping and scrolling are turned on. Sometimes, a misconfigured setting can make it seem like the touchpad is broken when it's just disabled or too insensitive. Next, we'll check for a function key that might toggle the touchpad. Many laptops have a dedicated key combination, such as the FN key plus one of the F keys at the top row, to enable or disable the touchpad. Look for an icon that looks like a touchpad on those keys, and press it together with the FN key. After toggling it, test the touchpad again. If it still doesn't work, we'll update or reinstall the touchpad driver. Right-click the Start button and choose Device Manager. In the list, find the section called Mice and Other Pointing Devices, then locate your touchpad device. Right-click it and choose Update Driver. Then search automatically for drivers. Let Windows search and install anything it finds. When it's done, restart your computer and see if that solves the issue. If updating doesn't help, go back to Device Manager. Right-click the touchpad again and choose Uninstall Device. Confirm the uninstall, then restart your computer. Windows will usually reinstall the default touchpad driver automatically on reboot, which can fix corrupted driver issues. As a final check, make sure Windows itself is up to date. Go back to the Settings app, open Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Install any available updates, restart your PC, and test the touchpad one more time. By carefully going through these steps, you'll often restore a non-working touchpad without needing any technical tools or repairs.